Good morning, class. Today's topic will have project time management. Session title will be finding the critical path. But before we continue, let's define what is the critical path. It refers to the longest sequence of activities that must be completed on time in order for the entire project to be complete. So, for instance, in our case, we will use a network diagram to come up with the critical path so that we have different paths to arrive to finish project, the finish activity. So network diagram, it uses boxes, rectangles, or that we refer to as nodes to represent activities and connect the arrows between them to show the logical relationship that exists between them. Activities, these are the processes that might be of identifying a specific action to be performed to produce the project deliverable. We have the tail and the head event. Sequence activities, the process of identifying and documenting the relationship among the activities. So before we continue, let me show you an sample of the network diagram that will help us to visualize how projects are completed. This is a network diagram. We have the start event will be A, the finish event will be F. So the activities that need to be done between days activities need to be done here. So a network diagram is a schematic display of schedules, activities, and logical relationship among them, also refers to dependencies. Yes, in the critical path. We are given activities, the predecessors, relationship, and the duration. We have the activities from A to F. We have the predecessors from A to E. Then we have the durations. So for activity A to happen, because this other event, no activity had happened before. So for activity B to happen, A must happen. For C to happen, A must happen. D to happen, B must happen. E to happen, B and C must happen. For F to happen, D and E must happen. So let's try to come up with the paths to arrive at the end activity, which is F. So here we have the network diagram to display our activities. We have A, B, D, F. That is the first part, which shows activity A must happen, B and D and F must happen. A, B, E, F, A, C, E, F. So all these parts, we have three parts. So we will calculate the duration for each activity to happen. So to get you understand these things, this is an example. Let's assume we are constructing a bungalow. Yes, let's say a 3-bedroom. So for it to happen, we have to do what is called site clearance. You have to do the wiring, the foundation, the roofing. Then you come up with the painting and installations, so site things. So let's assume activity A is the site clearance. Yes, so that is what I'm trying to say. So let's identify and calculate the total duration. So here we have A, B, D, F, which 3, 5, 6 plus 4 is 18 days. A, B, E, F, which is 3, 5, 7 plus 4, which is 19 days. And then we have E, C, E, F, which 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 4, which is 18 days. So the critical parts in these parts we have is the A, B, E, F, which takes 19 days. This is the critical part. For this project to be completed, it takes 19 days. We have to identify the key activities. For instance, the foundation, the site clearance. Those are the critical activities that need to be identified when dealing with this project. So up to that episode, and I think we after end I'll give you the assignment and you will work on it. Then as you work on it, we will see what to do and you will understand more. I'll give you a more activities. Thank you. Have a nice day.